and rolling off the ears. Let's find out. Let's look and see. So we gonna break up some of the stuff. So we're putting a couple of rocks and okay. What else? Got garlic and parsley. Yeah. The terrace system. Let's turn that off. So, someone asked Pete, "What the hell are you doing?" So we got some starts here. We're gonna get those in, and it's a battle of dominion over nature. This stuff just grows and grows and grows, so you got to keep at it, and it's a battle. Let me see if I could just stop and look around. Do-do-doo-doo. Do-do-doo-doo. And this was the you probably heard me yammer on about my compost heating system that almost worked, but this is all straw or cow bedding. I had it in the red zone, man. I was totally in the red zone, 150, 160, but now it's chilled. It's chilled. So that was an attempt at something, and yeah, this is where I'm at now. As you can see, there's not much there. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Shoink.